Carla.
Yung apat nilang staff, they were cited for them. How would you describe that? Is that significantly motivated or they justified inside for exam?
Lahat sa simula pa lang ma'am nagsabi na talaga ako na the hearings in the House of Representatives are politically motivated. Unang-una, nagsimula yan last year, di ba? Kung maalala ninyo, nagsimula talaga yan last year sa confidential funds. May meeting na nangyari with the Makabayan Block, and hindi naman tinago yon, pinost naman sa social media, Makabayan Block and Speaker Martin Romualdez. Then they started attacking the budget of the Office of the Vice President. When in fact, pag-submit ng budget na yan, pag-submit ng